How's it going, my camping friends? In this video, I'm going to be going over 3 different ways that you can clean your roof of your camper. If this is your first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. First, we're going to go over some safety tips. Number 1 thing is not really a safety tip, but if you got sneakers on and you got tread on them, make sure you don't have no stones in your tread. You don't want to be walking around on your roof with stones in your tread. First safety tip, if you're going up a ladder, just be careful. My camper is about 11 foot off the ground, so you got a ladder on the back of your camper, be careful going up that, and be careful going up a ladder like I'm going up. Next safety tip is these roofs are going to be very slippery when you get them wet, so be careful walking around on these roofs when they're wet. Also, there's a lot of things up here that you can trip over. These little caps, my air conditioner, so be careful backing up. Before you clean your roof, you might want to get your owner's manual out just to see what it says about walking on your roof, or if it says anything else about cleaning your roof in your owner's manual. Before you start cleaning your roof of your camper, make sure all your vents are closed and your antenna's up so you can clean under your antenna. While you're walking on your roof, also be careful not to step on your sealant. I like to try to stay off this. And while you're up there, you can maybe even check this a little bit. If this is starting to get cracked, you're going to need to probably take some of this up, put some new down. I'll put some of that down in the description just in case you got to redo some of this. And there's also videos on YouTube of a lot of videos of people putting new sealant down on their camper. All right, it's about time to start cleaning this. I'm gonna do this 3 different ways. So I'm gonna mix them up and then clean, and then I'm not gonna mix them all at the same time. That way I'll have them nice and fresh and nice warm water. I'm gonna use warm water in each mixture. When I start one, I'll let you know what I'm using. I'll let you know the ratio of what I put in there for the cleaning ingredients. While I clean this roof, I'm gonna try to also, after I clean one little section, I'm gonna try to spray down the sides of my camper so this stuff doesn't start to dry on the sides of my camper. Or you'd be a lot better off if you just had somebody help you do that. Also, down in the description, I'm gonna have a couple UV protectants that when you get done cleaning this, you could put some UV protectant on your roof. I'm not gonna put no UV protectant on because I only normally go camping on weekends, and 90% of the time my camper is sitting right under this roof. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if this video seems to be helping you out so far. First thing I'm going to use is 2 gallons of hot water, 1 cup of Dawn, and a 1/4 cup of TSP. First I'm going to spray it down. All right, so far there's the before and after of the Dawn dish soap and the TSP. Now I'm going to do a section back here. I would normally recommend working your way from the front to the back or from the back to the front, but for video purposes I'm kind of moving around a little bit just so you can see the difference. Next thing I'm using to clean the roof is 1 cup of Murphy's oil soap and 2 gallons of hot water. And I rinse this brush out. All right, there's before and after of Murphy's Oil Soap. I don't know, that looks pretty good. There's Murphy's Oil Soap and the Dawn and TSP. I think this maybe did a little better so far. Definitely wasn't as hard. I didn't scrub near as hard. All right, my next mixture is 2 gallons of hot water, 1 cup of Dawn, and a half a cup of bleach. Make sure you're rinsing your sides down as you do this. All right, that was the Dawn dish soap and the bleach. Cleaned that up nice. I don't know, you let me know. Put down in the comments which one you think looked the easiest. I think the first one I did was a little less scrubbing. So I think I'm gonna do that on the rest. I didn't realize how dirty my roof was until I started cleaning it. Well, let me finish the rest of my roof. I'm using the TSP and Dawn dish soap. All right, that's about it. Don't forget to check down in the description. I got some UV protectants. If your camper is not under a roof all the time, you may want to put one of them on after you get done cleaning it. And you also may want to clean your slide out if you have a slide out. If this video helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching it, and God bless.